A one-shot prompt is required when the output you need should be structured and in a specific format. In a one-shot prompt, in addition to sharing clear instructions, you also write an example in the prompt of what the output should look like. For instance, let's say I'm writing a financial blog and I want to explain a little about net operating income. I'll ask GPT, explain what net operating income is, and then see what the answer looks like. Okay, so it has given me two paragraphs. I need to go through the entire response to find the relevant part for me. As you can see, the answer it generated is not in a usable format. I cannot directly copy and paste it into my article. Instead, I would need to amend and restructure it before use, which is not efficient. Now let's see how I can solve this problem. I'll start the prompt with a line that says, "You are a real estate investment trainer." This line brings in domain expertise and ensures more specificity in the output. The second part of the prompt includes an example showing the output format I expect in response to my question. Finally, I ask my exact question: what is net operating income? Let's see if the answer I get this time is in usable format or not. You see the answer is in a usable format. The first line is the definition, exactly as I shared in my example. The second part is the formula, presented in the same manner as my example. The third part is an example of net operating income. As a reader, you generally need to know three things about a financial concept: the main concept, definition, the formula. An example in the original prompt, GPT did not know exactly what I needed. It tried to provide as much information as possible, resulting in a general response with a general structure. But when I asked it in a specific manner and defined exactly what should be included in the output, it followed the format and produced a consistent result that I could directly use in my article.